Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, viewer, Nigerian, Edo people. I greet everybody. I greet all of you now. All my viewers, I greet all of you. Depends on where you are watching me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. God will bless all of you. As you are watching me, you subscribe. Iyo Queen TV. Subscribe and share this video. So the topic where we just get today, na just small thing I want just talk. Because what I want talk, if I dey talk sometimes, some people go they insult me, but all what I dey talk na true. You will see my last video. I mentioned about Obaseki, that is a tourist. Okay, see what happen now. People when you go this thing. What do they call themselves? House of Assembly for those states. They don't arrest them now. They don't arrest all of them. 7 of them, they arrest them. Huh? People, when they go House of Assembly, they shoot guns. They have arrested all of them now. They are in jail right now. The judge even make it that said it that they cannot come out for the date when they will go court. They cannot come to court. It's only their lawyer that will come to represent them that day, which is bad. Huh? Which is very bad. I think if I talk, they will say, I think what this woman just they talk. See what this mama just they talk. They always talk. Whereas I'm saying the truth. I'm saying the fact. Election is not a do or die affair. It's not a thing somebody can kill somebody for. Obaseki, I've told him before that he's a warrior. With this now, he have shown to the whole world. I mean, me talking. These people, they don't jail them now. Others say they never sentence them, but they are in jail now. Custody, they did for jail. Huh? He good like that. I talk on that, and I said anywhere Obaseki go nice, also gone. They go, they shoot, they follow, and they shoot gun. Oh no, because we were saying that all those markets when he burst, saying he put fire, and he boys put fire. They also shot all those market people. People when they manage their life, they go. Huh? Is it good like that? I'm my Edo people. So what the person want kill himself for? You there for 4 years, you don't prove anything. Okay, 4 years reach. You give key to the other person, make it control. If that one not can feel control, then we will not know what to do again. Because if I talk and say we are now in computer age. Sister Joy F, thank you for watching me. As you are watching me, please try and subscribe and share this video for me. Because we want freedom. We don't want to suffer again in those states. We don't want a situation where somebody will be sick, you go to hospital, he will not see Panadol. If you see Panadol, he will not see Fensic. If we see Fensic, he will not see Siri. If you see Siri, he will not see doctor. Or he will not see nurse. Or if you don't have money at all, they cannot treat him. We don't want it again in our life. Enough is enough. That is the reason we want change. We want change for those states. If not be overseen, nobody for the take off the family. So we want everything to change for us. This time, we are now a computer age. Nobody can shoot us again. FOSAS, thank you for watching me. As you are watching, God will bless you in abundance. And as you watch, please try to subscribe. Subscribe and share this video for me. Obaseki is not going there again. Look at the way now. Everywhere, gone. Look at those people where they carry go Kona. Huh? Just go to House of Assembly, go they shoot gun for there. 7 of them. So it's not a do or die affair. It's not a do or die affair at all. It's not a do or die affair. 4 years rich, you cannot kill yourself. You hand over. All those money what they use, they rent people where they shoot gun. It's not that don't take money. It's me money, it's you money. It's everybody money, it's masses money. Money when you take build there, build market, make market women go there. You they waste and they go. Because if we don't go fit talk, this time we must talk. We want Edo to move forward for us. Backward never again. Is there Jamu is the answer. Everybody shine your eye. If you don't know, put on for broom. APC broom symbol dey there. They put broom for there. And wetin make me just say make I come this live this evening. I say make I come this, make I come beg all of now, make I tell all of now, because maybe una go know am. Benin people, Kafte, Idahosa, Okunbo. He say make everybody go home and away. Make we help and beg Obaseki. Make he leave am alone. He say make go, no. Make una onsa, Kafte onsa. Okunbo. He say make una beg. He say make we beg. He say make we help and beg Obaseki. Make he leave am alone. So now make me come out now. Obaseki, I beg, we take God beg you. Make you not send the man to early grave. The good thing when they do for Edo, now God go help him. He still help you. He say he give you 50 million. When you ask. He say anybody when he ask when he ask help, reach where they say they always they help Edo people. Okay, what if they worry the poor man, the rich man put not be poor man, the big man put. It's out of jealousness. Because I talk about that, they say, if you see anybody when you want to climb up, you just they draw and they go down. They draw and they go down. It's not good now. Huh? Obaseki, I beg. Make you leave Kafte Onsa alone. We can't beg, I beg. Iyo TV, they beg you. Iyo Queen TV, they beg you, I beg. I beg. Iyo Queen TV, they beg you. Leave Kafte Onsa alone, please. If you do election, you don't win. Now they keep person. Me, I do election, I don't win. I don't keep person because me never talking for this social media. Because I don't want talking. I don't win. I don't kill somebody. I don't want just go down. I don't want put myself. Maybe I just put myself low. Me don't want talking. So if you do election, you did not win. You cannot kill somebody. If you do election, I'm talking saying you win, they put you for there. You not even see win, they put you for there. Okay, this thing not rich now. See, everywhere don't talk to blah 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 blah. Is it good like that? Leave Kafte Onsa alone. He said he has been helping you. That's what he said. He said we should beg you. He said people went there for abroad. People went there for Nigeria. He said make we help and beg you. Make you leave him alone. He said, take God, beg you. Kafte Onsa said, he said, make we beg, Jonah, I beg you. I beg. Iyo Queen TV, Jonah, I beg you. Please, I beg. I'm begging you. Leave Kafte Onsa alone. Don't send it to any grave. He have helped you. He have helped you as a friend, as a brother. You did not take. When you have quarrel with Oshomole, he said he called you. He have helped you. When he left your office, you called him and told him that if you do not remove yourself from this matter, I will deal with you. You have to step back. Where then? I believe Kafte Onsa, the good thing when they do for Benin, you know like huh? It's election do or die affair. 80 people fight. Now one go beat one. Which one you want just turn everywhere to war? Okay, that's when you settle when God don't settle jail now. God don't say they never sentence them. What you go do now? You go make them bring them come out. Obaseki, I dey ask you a question. Leave Kafte Onsa alone. I beg. He said make we beg you. We just say God beg you. He said he tell you make you put the pikin for work, you not put am for work. He give you 50 million. Tell help you. The money you never see give am. But he not worry. If they do good for Edo people, any Edo people in crack comments, if they do good for them. I beg, we want better for Edo. Leave Kafte Onsa alone. He said make we beg you. Me just they beg you. I beg. I beg, Obaseki. Don't frustrate him. I beg. Don't frustrate Kafte Onsa. Don't frustrate him at all. We take God beg you. I beg. Leave him alone. We want good thing. I said, even though you not help me, to come from Edo, that big man there for Edo, I'm very happy. Talk less you when he help, he give you 50 million. Huh? Now small money be that. What you call the popo and for now? Just tell me. What you the popo and for? Huh? What you the worry and for? It's out of jealousness. That's what I think. Because you cannot say anything that you the popo and for. Huh? I beg. Please, as you are watching me, try to share this video for me. I beg, Victor. Odemigie, please share this video for me, please. Efosa Stephen, share this video for me. God bless you. Joy F.A., God bless you. Ben Abbas, God bless you. I beg. Enough is enough. Leave Captain Onsa alone. Don't send it to early grave for us. Because as you wahala and application fit go carry the man. I beg, say make all of us beg you, all the Benin people, say make we beg you, make you leave am alone. He say make we beg you, we dey beg. Now you quit TV, they beg you. And they beg you, I beg. Not just because say you be governor, you want just take all bush to snake. Why don't you take our bush onto snake? Obaseki. They carry gun, they shoot, they say people they shoot gun all the Edo. Is it the right thing like that? Say nobody fit talk to you. You say you are above the law that day. Now only you with Shaibu. Now you are above the law when law no all at all at all. So you can do or not do. If you be a monoemias, me they talk to you this for don't they hear what? Me they talk to you, they advise you. Huh? Obaseki, Asplad have no advisor. Till we follow the course from oath down to the grave, you will be buried along with the course. Please, you have to have you get special advisor before now. That one not they advise you. Obaseki. I beg. I take God beg you. I take a Diendo beg you. I take a Motanoka Wakaba beg you. I take one redo ya fefefe. I take I beg you. Leave Captain Onsa alone. Don't send it to any grave. Leave Captain Onsa alone. Iyo Queen TV said you should leave Captain Onsa alone. Don't send it to any grave. Please. Mr. Obaseki, the governor of Edo State. Because Utumi Asoko, Bononya Egweswe, the man cry out. He cry out. He said we should please beg you. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Edo people, make una shine una eyes. I beg. That day, it's already attempt. That day, you don't come on the 19th is the D-Day. Everybody now wear na broom. Vote for Pastor Izeyamu for Edo State to move forward. Not be this one when you don't take and say na do or die first so. When one to tell you they share blood for Benin because he not dead there, he pikin not dead there. Vote Pastor Izeyamu for Edo to move forward. For change, for good roads, for air care, for water. Who not get well, no they drink water for Edo. When they grow, they come. Water full everywhere. Water board, the water board, it full everywhere. But today, if you not get well, you cannot drink water. I beg, I tell God, beg una, make una shine una because people when it poor, it's still there. Not take yourself compare because you can afford bueo. It's not everybody that can afford that bueo. Just because of those people who cannot afford that bueo, vote Pastor Izeyamu so that he can help us put water for Edo State for us. Put better hospitals, he go equip for us. He go equip man and daughter. As now make me just happy for Pastor Izeyamu. As he go be daughter, EJ, I happy well because there's nothing like if if you dey you no sick, you no know wetin God do for you. You dey sick, you see who give you medicine for the right time, there go dey far from that person. As e well just be doctor come dey happy, because I know say when e don enter hospital, no go dey strike again. Doctor no go dey strike again. You go hospital now, they no go say Panadol no dey. You go hospital, they no go say Fensic no dey. You go hospital, they no go tell say before your wife do operation, go bring money. E get one man, his wife wan do operation, say make go dey find money. Before he bring money, cause his wife die. That sickness for not kill the wife, but no money. But as Pastor Iyamu don dey for seat, his wife no go tell us say person dey sick because of money, they no rescue am. No say we don happy. No be me talk am o, they talk am for rally o. The one when he do for Isha land, I go remember the place just now. He talk and say women, all those women when he did there, he go help them, even though that small money, John market, men they trade. Our mama get money when they trade. Waiting again, suffer never finish. Suffer don't finish now. Even though you want to return that money back home, but somebody don't give you, they can help you. You take and trade, take buy food for children. What did they do again? You not go stress up people in there for oversee again. I beg, Edo people, clear your eye. Iyamu is the answer for the governor. Make one not let anybody deceive you now. Vote Pastor Iyamu for Edo to move forward. It's just a simple agenda. Somebody when he want to enter post, he says simple agenda. That means he get plan. He don't say vote for me, oh, vote for me, oh. He said simple agenda. And that simple agenda, it contains many things. Everything is documented. It's documented. I beg. Edo people. Make one not let anybody deceive you now. This time when you they go, make one not deceive you now at all. Iyamu is the answer. Vote APC. Vote APC for Edo to move forward for us. Person wey be say una voter him finish. If you want do anything for Edo, say you go bring people come from outside, make all the do one, and that one I want vote for. No. Person when una vote finish, he say una wait to become that person, not become that person. Go almost a big camera, and that one I want for na city for na state. No way. Oh. He want a personal assistance. He go take him from Roboland. No matter what. Now that one I want. He enter post. He said no commissioner for art and culture. He said na go jail. Give her money, billions for her. May go bank. Another one I want. I beg Edo people. Enough is enough. Simple agenda. Good education. E dey inside though. Education. Your pikin dey go school. You no see money to pay school fees. You no see money to buy book na wahala. But this one you no go dey pay school fees again. You say na free education. Anybody when you watch YouTube or watch a Facebook, go watch wetin our first lady talk for on one when they go on one for Esako site. They not go no say na true say we true get first lady. Not be first lady when we dey get before. Now go see as they talk one by one. What you want to improve our women, our mama with our papa. Now go see as they talk one by one. So I take God beg una. Please, as you are watching, help me to share this video. Share this video, share and subscribe, please, my people. Ben Oba, thank you for watching me. I'm very happy. Jerry White, God bless you, my brother. O.C. King, God bless you. You say I should bring it to camera. I will bring it.
Said I took the follow God.
I will bring it, my brother. Thank you for watching me this evening. So I beg, I come this evening. I say, may I come beg Obaseki, make he leave Captain Onsa alone. Because Captain Onsa say make we follow and beg him. I beg, make all of na beg him, make he leave him alone. Make he leave him alone. I beg. I tell God beg him, make he leave him alone. I beg. I know 1 year. I know 1 year say anything happen to the man. Oh, I beg. I beg. Because now good the man do for him. The man say he give him 50 million when he ask him. He say if he ask him any help they do for him. So what do you want to propose the man for now? What did they propose him for? What did they worry him for? Huh? Enough is enough for Obaseki. Election is not a do or die affair. I beg. So now so I just say may I talk and read this evening. May I do people, God will bless all of now. As you are watching, subscribe. As you are watching, share this video for me. EO Queen TV. Subscribe and share, please. Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
Till next tomorrow, which is Thursday. So I want to sing. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba ni Magwalo kya. Arioba fún mi gbé. Arioba Magwalo. Oka gesi mabo. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba fún mi gbé. Arioba ni Magwalo. Isaiah mume o. Arioba ni Magwalo. Arioba fún mi gbé o. Arioba Magwalo. Isanawiya mume na o. Arioba Magwalo. Arioba fún mi gbé. Arioba ni Magwalo kya. Arioba ni Magwalo. Arioba fún mi gbé. Arioba ni Magwalo. Arioba ni Magwalo. Arioba fún mi gbé. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́. Ọmọ náà ẹgbẹ́ náà o. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́. Iṣẹ́ ìjà mú mẹ́nà o. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́ o. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́. Iṣẹ́ ìjà mú mẹ́nà. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́. Ọmọ náà ẹgbẹ́ náà o. Wá gẹ́ yẹ́rùn sọ ẹ́ o. For governor. APC is a yamu for governor. Fiegbe weregbe. Fiegbe weregbe. Fiegbe weregbe amonegbeda. Fiegbe weregbe o. Abidi kanso. Ọmọ náà yegbe tajamo. Oto na mo me yo. Fiegbe weregbe. Fiegbe weregbe. Fiegbe weregbe amonegbeda. Fiegbe weregbe o. Ebibi kianze. Ọmọ náà yegbe tajamo. Oto na mo me. Ọmọ náà yegbe tajamo. Oto na mo me. Ọmọ náà yegbe tajamo. Oto na mo me. Ọmọ náà yegbe tapasa o. Oto na mo me. Ọmọ náà yegbe tapasa. Oto na mo me. APC is a yamu for governor. APC is a yamu for governor. APC is a yamu for governor. Thank you very much, my viewers. Subscribe and watch as you do. God bless you. Bye bye for today. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye for today, everybody.